Python Flask Web API, Heroku, it runs locally but shows application error when deployed. I have done a search on Stack Overflow looking for an answer that will help me to get my web API working, but somehow, I still don't have the answer that I need. I have followed all the necessary steps up till the moment I can deploy the project to Heroku through GitHub, and it shows no build error. Profile is already included, so is my requirements.txt. Please see below. Project directory. Profile updated. Requirements.txt. Flask, PyMongo, Unicorn. In main API.py. And finally, running the web project in Heroku itself. Heroku Web, Python Flask error. Anyone with similar experience or have the right solution to this problem, appreciate if you can share it. Thanks a million, folks. P.S. Sorry that I forgot to add the log from Heroku. I have checked to ensure that debug equals true has been set in the main section of main_API.py.
Looks like the Heroku load balancer cannot reach your application because it listens on localhost only, IP address 127.0.0.1. Moreover, Heroku allocates port numbers dynamically and assigns the current value to the port environment variable. Try the following profile instead.
For me, the problem was that in my profile I wrote where app name is the application name I used in Heroku website, instead of. That means get your script name.py and just copy it without extension, so you get your script name column app.